So, dear telecomers, in a series of survey telecom department, in the previous lecture, I told you how to make the layout and how to do the survey, and after the survey, how we make the report. So, this lecture is also associated with previous lecture. So, now starting from the outdoor activity as discussed in previous lecture, that in order to going to start a new activity for the outdoor equipment, first we need its data like the serial number, model number, then the type of RRU, type of antenna, and the antenna height. All that data we needed in this report. So the next one I'm going to discuss the sector-wise antenna. As we know, the telecom tower is divided into different sectors. Like this, we have the antenna for sector 1. This is RF antenna, radio frequency antenna, and it's providing the coverage for sector 1. And for the sector 2, we have also the RF antenna. And the third sector, this is leg 1 and leg 2. And for the leg 3, first I am going to discuss the leg 1 and then leg 2. As we know that this antenna is at 60 meter. Suppose this antenna is at 50 meter. And the third antenna, which is attached with leg 3, is our third sector, and its height is 30 meter. So why we divided these antennas into different legs? Just as we know that our whole site is divided into different sectors, so that we may provide the coverage to the different areas where people are using the mobile and all the internet services like this. So this one, our sector 1 is from 0 degree to 120 degree, and our sector 2 is providing the coverage from 120 degree to 240 degree, and the third one is providing the coverage from 240 degree to 360 degree. So sector wise we divide this area as circumference of the circle. Like for sector 1 we have 0 to 120. So I hope so you write down in your notebooks, and now going to erase this one. As this is the cell site tower, and so our sector 1 wise division will be like this. This sector 1 is providing the coverage to that area, and the next sector 2 is providing the coverage in this area. Sector 1, this area belongs to the sector 1. So population which is associated with sector 1 get their services from the sector 1, and for the sector 2 same for this sector, that the population which belongs to the sector 2, they get their services from this sector 2 antenna. Suppose we have the antenna at this end. So the direction which that antenna face is providing the services. Suppose this is colony and it have 40 houses. With 40 houses. So that antenna is providing the same phase, the same direction to give the coverage to these 40 houses, and these 40 houses could belong to this area. So now move on to the sector 3. For the sector 3, that area is divided, and from 240 to 360 degree, antenna facing in the same direction for sector 3. So I hope so you understand this basic concept, that how we divide the sectors with the help of antennas to provide the coverage to our users. So from site 1 to second, we have a microwave both in front of each other. Both microwave must be in same direction. Suppose this microwave is at 30 meter, so that other microwave must be at 30 meter, so that we provide the exact LOS, line of sight transmission, so whenever you go to the site, first after checking the RF antenna, you check this microwave antenna, what exactly the height of microwave antenna. Like if you are at near end and the next one is far end, so first when you take the picture for microwave, to check its height, it's 30 meter. For the next height, it must be 30 meter to provide the best coverage. In case, as you know, for fixed network, we have a media like coaxial cable, copper wire. But in this microwave transmission, wireless transmission, we have a microwave, and between them is the medium, which is air. So in a survey series, you need to check this sector wise, the orientation and direction of antenna and the microwave facing in the same direction.